Today we're adding that intense, fast-paced crash zoom effect, great for adding punch to reactions, jokes, or action scenes. Start by selecting your clip in the timeline. Now head over to the Effects tab on the right and search for Crash Zoom. Once you find it, just click it to apply, no dragging needed. Once it's on, you've got some awesome controls. First, choose the position. This sets where on the screen the zoom will focus. You can go center, top left, bottom right, or wherever suits your scene. Next up, adjust the zoom slider. This sets how close the zoom gets. Higher values give you that dramatic zoom in feel. Then set the steps. This tells Clipchamp how many quick zoom levels it should hit during the effect. More steps means a more chaotic zoom. And finally, tweak the step delay to space out how fast each zoom happens. Play it back and see the crash zoom in action. Super dramatic and super easy to pull off. And that's it. You've just added an awesome crash zoom to your video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Clipchamp tutorials.